So I can only say that whatever payments we are receiving, most of it we are able to replenish from RBI.
At this point, sir, ATMs are a big problem, particularly in the big metros. New Delhi, of course, we've also seen huge cash crunch. How do you see the situation at this point? There are reports still that there's very little supply at the moment, which is going to the ATMs, particularly off-site ATMs.
I think the problem is more around the smaller denomination note. 2,000 rupee notes is very much there in all the ATMs.
Right.
But the 100 and 500, whatever we put in wherever, it quickly runs out. That is a real issue. But otherwise, the number of transactions, I am telling you that every day, State Bank ATMs, we are doing more than 90 lakh transactions and dispensing 17 to 1900 crore rupees every day. So it is not that ATMs are not functioning, but the industry-wise, when you look at, I don't have the industry-level data. But what happens that if there is a smaller denomination note is not there, so many people I find, they come to the guard, ask that what is the denomination available, and if he says only 2,000, they go back.
Right.
So we have to wait a little bit more time and be patient. But as the supply of the 100 and 500 rupee note is augmented, I think it will. The situation will ease out.
With the CRR also, sir, the RBI had hiked that's going to be revised very soon. How has that hurt your profitability? Is that something which you're hoping that the RBI will revise downwards again?
So the review is on 9th of December. Let us wait for that. And if the CRR comes down, whatever the additional requirement was there, 4% will remain, then it will help us in passing on the benefit to the borrowers.
Final question, sir. With regard to the merger plans for the SBI, obviously demonetization has now become priority one. Are the merger plans going to be pushed back perhaps a little bit because of the demonetization?
No, I don't think so.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNow Live. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.